Do you want to give your users advanced search bar with live suggestions? Nowadays, having an instant search feature is a must for every online business. This free tool looks for the search keywords in all your products fields, including custom fields. Also, it displays results without reloading a page. The best part, this is done with a free plugin. If you are interested, click the button to watch.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalie. For this tutorial, I'm using the free Cadence theme. The next step is to install and activate the following plugins. From the WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new, then type in Starter Templates by Cadence. The second one is ecommerce. It is a well-known tooltip to sell anything from goods to assets. I want to install Cadence blocks. It creates custom column layouts, backgrounds, dual buttons, icons, etc. And the last one is Ajax Search WooCommerce. This is one of the best WooCommerce product search plugins. There are multiple ways to display these in your store. I talk about this later. Inside the starter templates, click on the web agency. We get 8 pages, beautiful designed. Now let's try this one, Print Shop e-commerce. I click on the e-commerce tab as we want an online store. Let's see what are the ready templates available for us. At the moment there are 2 templates we can use. I select the Print Shop e-commerce to get the full demo. I go with this one and I click Import. Then on your WordPress dashboard it says it has finished. Let's check out the store. The home page has 7 sections, a grid layout, call to action, the header and footer as well. Let's check now the store configuration of our website. I want to buy this shirt. Then I click View Cart. Update the cart. Then I click on the checkout button and we go to the checkout page. Now the last I want to check out is my account page, and as you can see it has the usual WooCommerce layout with the menu items vertically. Okay, it's working fine. Let's proceed. We begin now to create our WooCommerce product search to the top, to the shop. The Ajax search bar plugin, I will be using only the free version. This is the best WooCommerce product search plugin on the market. It looks for the search keywords in all your products fields, including custom fields. This plugin can also display results without reloading a page. We find the plugin settings in our WordPress admin panel, WooCommerce Ajax search bar. In fact, it is a submenu of the WooCommerce menu. Click there, it opens up the plugin toolbar. The first step we need to do is enabling the Show Advanced Settings to get more feature options. The Starting tab is the first tab showing us the 4 easy ways to display the search bar. The Search Bar tab is where we choose the appearance of our search box. We can show or hide the button, change the search label, even replace the placeholder text. In the layout, you can choose from 3 choices. I like to keep it simple, so I go with search bar only. And for mobile devices, I want the search bar be displayed overlaid. We just need to check the option below the Layout tab. In the Color tab, we can change the search input for the background text border. In the border input, I want a color, so I copy-paste the Xcode and I save my changes. In the preloader option, I want to show the logos, so I upload from my media library my logo. That way I can match my web shop. Save the changes, and to the right side we can preview our settings. The plugin starts fetching and displaying product results as soon as users start typing. Switching to the Autocomplete tab, I want to display the results grouped, so I tick the checkbox. In the product categories, I want to show all these options, so I tick in all 4 checkboxes. I want my user to see image, price, description, and SKU in live search results. I want to enable the categories in the details panel. If you are unsure, leave them as they are. The default settings will work for most online shops. The suggested colors are fine. I don't need to change anything. Make sure you play around in order to get what you want. The Search Configuration tab is where we can specify which areas to look at when looking for a match. For my shop, I enable the 3 first checkboxes. If you opt for the Pro version, this is the place to search in attributes, categories, and tags. For Pro users, you get the option to fuzzy matching, which basically is including products that might be close to what users are looking for. Don't forget to click on the Save Changes button to store all your settings. So my next step now is to implement manually this Ajax functionality inside the WooCommerce shop page. First, let's disable the content style in Theme Customizer. So I go to the Theme Customizer, WooCommerce, Archive Layout, Content Style, and I disable the 3 toggles buttons. I need some space to add my search box. Publish. Now, in the dashboard WooCommerce Ajax search bar settings, I copied the shortcode shown in the starting tab of the plugin settings. Now I go to the shop page inside Gutenberg editor and I paste the code. You may need to add a block, so you just have to click on the plus button to add a new block. Then search for a shortcode block, and inside it you can simply pass the shortcode. Update, refresh, and then voila, and check. Oops, we need to fix this space issue. So inside the Gutenberg editor shop page, add a new block by clicking on the plus button. Add a spacer block below the shortcode block with 60 pixels height. Then I publish and I refresh and check. Great. Finally, I show you how to display these on the main nav menu. So from the WordPress dashboard appearance menu, select your main menu bar. Then I had Ajax search bar as a menu item. For me, I drag it to the top so that it displays in front of the home menu item. Save my changes. I refresh and then I preview. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you found this tutorial useful and valuable. Please like, share, subscribe by clicking on the buttons. My name is Natalie. See you next time.